Our firm, Jaroslawicz Jaros, was founded in 1980 by myself, Abraham Jaros, and my brother, David Jaroslawicz. Before we founded this firm, David worked for a lawyer known as Alfred S. Julian for 8 years as his right-hand man. Mr. Julian was voted the best trial lawyer in the country for 10 years running. So David had very good experience in learning how to handle a personal injury case from beginning to end. Myself, I worked for the Legal Aid Society, representing indigent people charged with crimes. I did over 40 criminal trials in my years representing indigent people, so I became a good trial attorney. When we started our firm, what we discussed was important to us was a shared experience that we had growing up, which we vowed would never happen to our clients. Our father was struck by a vehicle while he was walking on a sidewalk and suffered a fractured hip. He hired a local lawyer. It was 6 years later that he heard from that lawyer for the first time, telling him to accept a small settlement without any explanation, without any preparation. In his ignorance of the law, he felt he had no choice but to accept that offer. When our aunt had a bad bus accident, was thrown from a bus in an accident in which people were unfortunately killed, and she suffered serious injuries, she never heard from her lawyers for 7 years. Because I was in law school already, she called me to please come to court. They were trying to force her to take a small settlement. When I spoke to the lawyer, he explained he's only the trial lawyer. He didn't prepare the case, and the case was unfortunately not prepared properly. She was forced to accept a small settlement for her devastating injuries. We both agreed we would never let that happen to our clients. We would communicate with our clients throughout the case. One of us would meet with each new client. We're responsible for each case. It's our office, it's our case, we handle it with the assistance of our younger associates. We will also prepare each case to maximize the value. So if we need experts to be brought on board, we will bring those medical experts, economic experts, or whatever else we need to maximize the recovery in every case.